There we go.
Hit her good in the ring. That's it. You gotta get her popping good.
She's just kind of crowy hop.
Well, that's what she does.
Yeah, it's just dolphin diving.
I know it's enough.
Hang on. Get healed.
I know, just about. That's what she needs. She needs to be thrown forward because that's stupid. And that's what she does. She almost comes to a complete stop and then starts at hopping, right?
And that's what she was doing.
Yeah. Because they picked her up so much to make her go slow. That's what she's learned to do. If I just stop and crow hop.
That's it.
Let me on her, Sherry.
No, not right now. I wouldn't be on. Be on the ground.
There, that looks
There.
better, Justin. You got her, dude.
Yeah.
See?
Start walking and either keep her head up.
No, she's not gonna buck now. You got her.
She's not built to buck. She didn't make no big money in the
No, she's a lazy fucker. Not a lazy fucker, but a lazy fucker.
But that's at that old. I was going to say cliff, but bitch.
Oh, don't worry, you can swear on this one. I'll make it private.
I started to say something.
Well, she, the last people that owned her, those brawn people,
Yes.
the kid rode her so much with spurs, and the mare started being such a bitch, they couldn't even ride her.
Well,
Like,
she
it
was
bad.
rebelling so bad the
Oh,
other
bad.
way.
Bad. But we heard this after the fact.
Oh, of
She had been
course.
back here. Yeah.
That's nice.
Well, see, they're the people that bought Max, that little black horse of ours. Mm-hmm. And that's where we found the information, because they bought him after you had bought this man. And they said, oh, she bought her pee. Well, tell her. I said, well, she was good. I said, try to throw her back at the exhibition. Mm-hmm. She was good. I said, the thing with her, you can't ride her with spurs on.
You know,
but today we didn't throw spurs on the old.
that saddle's dealt with a lot of asset mares, you know.
Yeah, that fits her better than the other one does. Good job, Justin.
That was on Disco. That was on Sasha. That was on Robin. That was on.
She's different one.
She just needs her ass in it. Because the worst thing about it, she keeps getting away with that. It just progressively gets worse, right?
Yeah, and I don't have the. I can't.
There, that was more forward.
That's not better, wasn't
Much better. No fat mare.
I know. Good for her.
Good for you.
Not gonna hurt her. No. You old bitch.
now, eh?
Look,
No.
Look, isn't that something? Why Justin threw it out.
Yeah.
He's really a good choice. Just
Yeah, they're springing through the exactly.
see how his legs are back underneath him
And his
now?
hands over in his hands and everything.
And he's really trying. He
Yeah.
really tried. He wants to learn.
Okay, so you want to open for a while? We're just going to walk. We're going to walk if you want to look a few circles on you.